What's up, YouTube? It's Todd Horst here with Tasty Tracker. Just wanted to quickly say that I started another YouTube channel. That doesn't mean I'm going to be stopping this channel, but they both have different content. So this channel is all based around finance and specifically with options, although I obviously intend on getting into more and more financial topics as time goes on. But a large part of my life is property management. I have 4 properties that I do most of the maintenance, repairs, upgrades myself. And so in any given week, I do a decent number of repairs. And so I thought while I'm doing it, I might as well film it and then share that. And not only will that help me go back to see how I've done things in the past, but might help others. So I gave it a shot yesterday and recorded a couple projects I worked on this weekend. And the first 2 are repairing an extension cord and replacing a light switch that has a pull string and an outlet associated with it. So if you're interested in property management type of videos, I'll probably do tool reviews, walk through renovations, and everything associated with that, weekend warrior kind of thing. So yeah, if you're interested in that, the name of the channel is Homestead Runner. You can see right below my head here. Hopefully some of you get that reference. But anyway, yeah, if you're interested in home stuff, check it out. If not, no big deal. Thanks, guys.